Okay, missing Minky, my ex-dog. Okay, so now we're going to sing this song in the 1945, Autumn Leaf. And the chords that we're playing today is the D minor, G minor, G minor 7, C7, F, A minor, D minor. Right? Okay, there's so when we play the notes, just a simple up down, then but your notes, okay, the second beat you press the notes, okay, so you use your hand, the finger, to control the notes, then you have this effect. Okay, 1 2 3. The falling leaf, divide the window, the autumn leaf of red and gold. I see your leaf, the summer kisses, the sunburned hand I used to hold. Since you went away, the days go long, and soon I hear a winter song. But I miss you most of all, my darling, when autumn leaves start to fall. The falling leaf, by the window, the autumn leaf of red and gold. I see your leaf, the summer kisses, the sunburned hand I used to hold. Since you went away, the days go long. Soon I hear